Today we have this Sony old laptop for keyboard replacement. This is it. Some of the keys here are not working. This R, F, V, T, G, D, these are not working, so we'll replace the keyboard. Let's open the laptop. First we have to remove the screws. The RAM cover, there is one screw below the RAM cover with which we can open the keyboard screws. And one is here. And one, this is the other one. These two are keyboard screws. You have to just lift the keyboard from one side and start prying to remove it. Just come out. Just release the cable latch. This keyboard is out. There were only two screws here. We have this new keyboard. Let's insert the cable. Make sure there is no plastic covering the cable. Sometimes it has a packing tape on it. This one doesn't have. The keyboard is in place. I will just put on the screws again. The RAM cover. We'll test the keyboard. Laptop is on. I have this keyboard testing software here. We'll just check all the keys. They are working. When the key is pressed, it will be highlighted with the green color. All the keys are working. All the keys are now working. This is a new keyboard. There is no Windows key here, so this will remain white. It's not a numeric keypad. All the keys are working. This scroll lock, caps lock, print screen. That's it. Thank you for watching.